Welcome to Gamma Incorporated, the home of the greatest scientists in the world. For many decades since 1956, we have been hard at work making the Earth a better place. Because a world with geniuses is better than a world without. What you are currently viewing is one of our many informational guides. In this informational guide, we will go over a topic we would like to discuss, UN ecosystems, and how you impact them. Ecosystems are one of the defining factors of the Earth, and known as the source of all living life. Plants, animals, and occasionally the ground you walk on is all the work of the ecosystem. However, how do humans fare in this landscape? Well, one can say they fare well in the ecosystem, but it also comes with its issues. Things such as habitat loss, pollution and littering, climate change, and biodiversity decline. Animals such as the dodo and woolly mammoth have all fallen to their blood. These not only impact the animals' lives, but also your own. Pollution does nothing to help them either, as it can impact the very air you suck in. Such ways to combat this is to stop littering yourself, and pick up any litter you see. Any piece helps the planet. Do not support projects that directly damage the planet. You'll be just as bad as them. And only kill animals if necessary, not out of pure fun. Thank you for listening. This is the end of this information guide. Please discard the tape now. Welcome to another informational guide. If you are seeing this tape, then you have completed your task, and you accepted our consequences. Today, we will touch on one of science's greatest achievements, the periodic table. Specifically, periodic trends. Let's look over 3 of them. The first periodic trend we will look at is atomic radius. An atomic radius is the total distance from the nucleus to the atom, to the orbital of the electron. In chemistry, the atomic radius is a crucial part due to how it impacts how atoms interact with each other, and how they form compounds. The atomic radius helps to explain many chemical properties, like reactivity, ionization energy, electronegativity, and many more. The atomic radius is also very important for understanding the behavior of molecules and how they fit together. How fascinating of humans. The second periodic trend is ionization energy, which we have mentioned already, so let's dive deeper. Ionization energy is the amount of energy needed to remove an electron from an atom or an ion in its gaseous state. An interesting fact about ionization energy is that it has a general trend of increasing from left to right across the periodic table and from bottom to top within a group. Another fact about ionization energy is that noble gases have the highest ionization energies because they have a full electron shell, which makes it troubling to remove the electron. Ionization energy is a fundamental property that helps chemists predict the chemical behavior of elements and their compounds. It plays a crucial role in understanding bonding, reactivity, and the formation of ions. This can be a very useful tool in our projects, as humans haven't fully reached its potential. The final periodic trend is electronegativity, and like the previous trend, we have also mentioned it, so let's fully unwrap it now. Electronegativity is defined as the atom's tendency to attract electrons shared in a bond, or strip another atom of its outermost electrons. Atoms with high electronegativity have a stronger hold on their own electrons, and they attract other electrons belonging to other atoms. Electronegativity is a good way to understand how atoms interact. Many have called it an atomic tug of war for other electrons. It helps measure how strongly an atom attracts electrons in a chemical bond, as humans have called it. This is a very powerful tool that they aren't aware of yet. We will prove its usefulness soon. Overall, the periodic table is a wonderful piece of what humans can do. This is only 3 of the many trends that it holds. There is so much more to discover. We at Gamma Incorporated are working hard on our creation of new elements and chemicals. And we can't wait to show the Earth what they can do. Thank you for listening. This is the end of the informational guide. Please discard the tape now. Hello, and welcome back to another informational guide. If you are currently viewing this tape, then you have successfully converted. Congratulations! Today, we will be covering another topic in the field of science, you, and your electrical safety. Electricity surrounds you, and your home. Electric outlets, cooking supplies, TVs and many more are all powered by electricity. However, your fellow humans aren't the most careful sometimes, so we will teach you how to be safe when dealing with electricity. First things first, never stick anything in outlets unless it's a plug. You can get shocked and seriously injured. You also should never touch electrical equipment with wet hands. Water and electricity do not go well together. Don't believe their lies. If you suspect any damage in equipment, then do not use it. Throw it away and replace it with a new one. In the kitchen, when preparing food, never spill hot water on a stove or oven. This can potentially make it catch on fire, and then you will be next. Also refrain from leaving stoves on, and leaving food in the oven for too long. Both of these can result in a fire. Also refrain from buying anything that might be dangerous, such as hoverboards, communication like phones, and vehicles that use electricity. However, gas can also make things catch fire, so refrain from buying any transportation. Or else what happened back in 1978 will happen again when you never forget to take your phone off the charger. If you leave it there for a very long time, the battery could explode. Refrain from leaving anything that uses a battery on the charge for too long. It is very important to stay safe in your home. It is the safest place currently. And as a final mention, don't forget to take spoons and forks out of a microwave. The rapid heat can make them very dangerous, so never heat any food in the microwave with forks. Take them out, always. That is all for us today. Electricity is an amazing tool. We have already found a way to use it. We will begin shortly. Thank you for being here. Deconstruct the tape and throw it away. This tape isn't meant for the public. Have a good day. Rob Hutcherson.